Hello, teacher. My name is Steven, and today I want to talk about a TV show I remember from when I was a kid. The name of show was A Prueba de Todo. It was on TV in 2010, and I watched it when I was about 9 or 10 years old. It is still on TV now. It was very funny and interesting for me. The places in the show were jungles, mountain, desert, rivers, and other wild places. Bear Grylls was in a different place in each episode. The main character was Bear Grylls. He was brave, strong, and smart. He was a survival expert and always stayed calm in dangerous situations. The show was popular because it was exciting and real. People liked to watch how Bear Grylls survived in wild places. Thank you, teacher.